Okay, but actually one point is left, part E, which is the quotient rule.
Yeah.
Part E on that page.
Sorry?
Part E, quotient rule is left. Part
Yeah.
E, which is quotient rule. Okay. For example, if you are given y equal function f of x equal x square divided by sine x, what you will do with this one? Here you need to apply quotient rule. The
Hmm.
previous one was product rule. This is quotient rule. You cannot apply derivative in the numerator and the denominator directly. You need to apply quotient rule, and the quotient rule formula is, let's say we are given f of x divided by g of x whole derivative equal to, you need to take the derivative of the numerator dot write
Hmm.
denominator as it is minus write numerator as it is, write the derivative of the denominator divide by denominator.
Squared.
So that is the, for example, let's apply that on the previous question. So y dash equal uh, f dash x. So we have x square, so f dash x will be 2x dot
Yeah.
g of x, right? The
Sin
denominator
x.
as it is, sin x, minus right f of
Mm.
x as it is, which is x square,
X squared and
and
cos
right
x.
and cos x divide by,
Sin squared x.
yeah. So that's the answer. This is the derivative.
Yeah.
If you are given, let's say, y equal y equal 2x square plus x power 3 divided by x, will you use quotient rule or will you
Mm.
solve it normally?
So I think in this one you can get rid of the x at the bottom because you can take an x out, right?
How to take x out?
So it's gonna be x times 2x plus x squared. So
Actually,
you can put in the bracket and then the
we will
x and
divide
x.
x on both of them, so it will become
Yeah.
2x square divided by x plus x power 3 divided by x, solve it, so it will become 2x plus x square. So this is y. Now you take the derivative, so this is rule number C. Apply derivative on both of them separately, so this will be y dash equal to, and that is
Yeah.
2x, so that's the answer.
Okay.
So this is